megalayapost.news.
Deputy Commissioner Kariboy Abilash Baranwal mentakas ngiula lejban pripat bano ia ketrailang arhajar arpun rio Inter-Village Development Championship ke program balapan long da ka Office of Subdivisional Officer Civil patar kema Civil Subdivision pat kejing temu jong ketiga program kelong ban wanra ia kejing trailang hapadang jong baro kisnong kibadan Hariboy sabni pat kumjuru ban kentio habaro kiliang ia kisnong ki bahab hapo ke patar kema Civil Subdivision haba play ketiga program ke balapan long haplau ke patar kema Model Degree College ha ke bala saki da kejing dan ucaitani awasti SDO ka patar kema Civil Subdivision u Dr. Hajong BDO Jirang Blong kiwi ki officer sarkar kinu ilam snong lembat ki riu pajba na kisnong baper ki badan ha kate gatan lengba jong kate sngi bala pli kate program la sakhi da jingwani shimenta shurham nadu kinu ilam snong ki riu pajba bat ki samla ha ka ba jingwani shimenta bat kershan jong ki kate program kalong ka bapen klan ya jing dai ha padang ki para nong snong katan kataban kentiam nadu haki kami lekai ki program kolshor lembat ki jing yako katrailang arajar arpun riu kan beteng nadu benai jembang hadu nai wing mentau senem batkan kentup ya bonjat ki jing yakop kum ki sports stock offer jing yakop shad barwai arts and craft lembat ki ha ketika sengi bala sedang ya ketika program ke office USDO patar kema Civil Subdivision lembat ka office jong BDO ke Jirang Blong kilapun kuburam ru yau Abilash Baranwal IAS halor ke jing sakuri jong kum Deputy Commissioner Kariboy District haswa bon mi no naga district banleshimti kum Deputy Commissioner Batmai ke East Khasi Hills District.
Can we have the next slide? This is basically the ideology of Tridancer, that we are trying to make it a participative governance model. They should not feel obliged to become part of a government scheme. They should themselves be enthusiastic to see that they want to be a part of a particular government scheme. Next, please. This is just Patakama beginning of many things that are yet to come in perhaps the decades that lie ahead of us. Next. This is very special to us, and this is also our tribute to your unwavering support and more so your vision for the district. All of us very well know the e-Rice project that you heralded in the entire Rivoy district. Many of us who have been sitting here, we've been seeing outputs of that project in one way or the other, be it the distribution of the machines, be it the distribution of nets, the training of farmers. Today also, go back please. Today also there is a training that has been arranged for the silk farmers after this program. So we thought that it is only befitting as a tribute to your visionary leadership and our inspiration that we have our official mascot as a silk farm named Niang Imlam. I have been told that Imlam means together, so it is also in line with Tridam. And this shall be our official mascot for the upcoming festival. So next please. These are our 8 pillars of vision, sir. Good governance, data-driven development. We will show you how we are doing that. Citizen engagement, reaching out to all the headmen, the rajas. Champion recognition, giving them incentives to perform better. We have an entrepreneur platform on the market days that we will be doing. Healthy competition, institutional visibility, and cultural celebration. Next, please. These are the 10 schemes broadly, sir, that we have tentatively finalized that we will be working on. Again, sir, it is very heartening to inform you as SDO Civil here that the kind of support I have received from all the department heads, all of them are present here also. Despite their regular duties, they have gone beyond their office hours to work for Tridam, and they will be working for Tridam in the coming months as well. So these are the 10 schemes, sir, Manrega, PMAY, JJM and so on and so forth. A detailed scoring mechanism has been made for all of them, which shall be shared with you also shortly. Next please. Some basic awards, sir. There will be a Best Village Overall Award. Then there will be category-wise awards like Best PMAY, G House, Cleanest Village, Best Asha, Best VEC, SHG, VHC, JJM and so on and so forth. Next please. We also have a Best Airy Silk Farmer Award, sir. This is the crux of the festival, sir. The festival part is fine, all the celebration, the competitions and all of that. But this is the heart of Tridam, the mega camp day that we will be hosting 3 numbers, sir, throughout these 3 months, in which we will get them an opportunity to come at one place and avail all the departmental services of the subdivision, and also to try and improve their ranking in various performances. So these mega camp days will start from next month. Next please. And alongside that, we'll be having a lot of fun activities, sir, in sports, music, dance, as well as art and crafts. We'll be taking wall painting in Patakama. A lot of public areas will be beautified. We have already taken the Green Force initiative, sir, and similar other initiatives will be taking place in culture, sports, and enterprise. Next, please. This is the convergence framework, sir. A lot of departments are coming together. The timeline is on the right, that the launch will be followed by the field validation. Then will come the camp days. After the camp days, the cultural and sports events. And then finally the closing ceremony once the weather approves.
From the nature, environment, but mostly that fear that nature has been expressed in form of opposition to something that some construction activities, etc., instead of using that love for nature to basically translate into something which is meaningful and constructive for the environment. So Green Force is probably first such effort from the side of the AD administration in Meghalaya, where it is galvanizing the community, it is allowing them to come together to not only save their heritage and culture, but also teach the new generation about the importance of nature and how it is our responsibility. It is responsibility of each and all to ensure that the nature is preserved for the next generation. So, what I mentioned about Green Force is because this is called Project Trelan, right? So, Trelan, whether it is Trelan, whether it is Green Force, both are testimony to the fact that if you have a young dynamic officer at the helm of affairs, the speed with which the development activities will go ahead, or the kind of activities that you will see, will be something that the community itself can testify to. So, without taking much time on this, again, my congratulations to SGO Civil for not only conceptualizing these things, but also taking the painstaking effort of reaching out to all departments, including DC office, and making sure that basically, when he approached me, it was well understood that no cannot be an answer that he will be accepting. Whether it is my office, whether it is any other department from which he has been able to get the funds, it is because of his conviction. It is because of the fact that when he approached our offices with the idea of Trelan, it's something that was never heard of, but then it's so intuitively simple that it will be fostering constructive cooperation amongst the villagers, that it was difficult to say no. So, having been a SGO Civil myself, although in a different subdivision, I understand that how difficult it is to mobilize funds at time. So fund mobilization, again, the way you have gone about it is something which is marvelous. And even though I'll be leaving Nirbhoi district soon because my transfer order is already out, I'll be joining these classes in 1 week's time. However, I, for one, will be very keenly watching the results of Trelan, that how it encourages the community to come forward for their own development, how they will take advantage of the camp, and how they will basically, how should I say, they'll prove all those naysayers, all those skeptics wrong, who say that people of Meghalaya are not really caring for development. Many times we hear that, let's say whether it is Aadhaar, whether it is the Mishayas, whether it is any other program, sometimes our operators go into the village, they come back exasperated, they say that we have tried our best, but the people are not really coming forward for the registration. I hope, I wish that Project Trelan proves everyone wrong. They show that if the office is serious, if we are able to create the right kind of environment, people will be more than willing to come forward, to register for different programs, and to not just be a recipient of the benefits, but also be a more than competent and able partner of the entire development program.
Meghalaya Post.news.